One of the biggest reasons why most people struggle to lose weight is because of their uncontrollable food cravings. You see, after being a coach for almost a decade now and having the privilege of helping over 100 people lose 50 to 100 pounds and keep it off for the rest of their life, I've realized a very similar pattern in pretty much everyone who tries to lose weight and fails. And it looks a little something like this. They grab all of their favorite comfort foods, all of the junk food from every corner of their kitchen and their house, and they throw it all in the trash bin so they can start a new miracle magical diet where they only eat meat and salads. Along with that, they decide to Rocky Balboa it and throw on a hoodie and do nauseating amounts of cardio and running until they're blue in the face, constantly working out for 4 hours a day. But then after a couple days or maybe a week, they slip right back in because of their food craving. And I've seen this way too much, and I've been guilty of it myself, where they eat an entire week's worth of food in a couple hours sitting, and then they gain all, if not sometimes even twice the amount of weight that they just lost over the course of the last 7 days. This is also exactly why I struggled so massively to lose weight as a 370-pound teenager. But after doing so much research and taking courses and certification and reading books, I don't like reading books, I've realized why the reason this happened is actually a little kind of dark. You see, the reason why so many people fail to lose weight once they start is because their bodies actually don't want them to lose weight. Now, why would our bodies want to work against you? There is actually psychology behind it. And when I learned how to crack this code, I never felt the urge to cheat on my diet again. Look, let's be real for a sec here. Humans naturally, absolutely fucking hate change, because fundamentally it involves a lot of discomfort, anxiety, and pain. And when you have a goal to lose weight, you're putting your body in a lot of discomfort, and you're putting your body in a lot of pain in order to change. Like following a new diet that involves starving yourself to the bone, which is something your body is not used to. That's why whenever you try to change your eating habits in order to get you to lose weight, your body's gonna fight back and pull you into doing unhealthy habits that are not really healthy, but kind of feel good, because that way your mind can make sure that you are safe. This is our natural survival instinct, and it's very hard to beat, but it's not impossible. Once you fight back your survival instincts, your body stays like this for the next 30 days. But then it slowly fades away, but only if you go through a lot of pain and discomfort and you fight through it. But there is a better way. I'm going to share with you 3 fantastic hacks that I've used to trick my mind into believing that my stomach was actually full. So I never felt a crazy amount of cravings, which threw me back into bad eating habits, which helped me to lose weight with ease and without ever falling back into my bad eating habits. So the first hack is the cheat code to kill your cravings. You see, protein is a literal cheat code when it comes to feeling full. When you eat foods that are high in protein, whether it's meat or cow or chicken or steak, sorry to all the vegans, okay, there's not that many good options, you will feel more full, so you don't feel more hungry anymore. Also, most proteins are very low in calories, meaning you can kind of eat as much as you want without actually having to worry about gaining any weight. Not only that, but when you eat more protein, your body takes more energy and time to digest and metabolize it, meaning this is gonna help you lose weight at the same time. Plus, protein helps stabilize your blood sugar levels, preventing those crazy insulin spikes when you're eating something like fast food, and that often crashes, and that's why you feel like shit after you just ate fast food, and that's gonna lead to more cravings. That's why eating more foods that are high in protein is an absolute game changer cheat code when it comes to crushing your cravings. Number 2, swap with healthy substitutions. This is the game changer, especially if you're like me, who can't live without sweets or desserts. Because whenever I feel a craving for some junk food or something I really shouldn't have when I'm trying to lose weight, instead of going for that chocolate bar, or shout out to my girl Wendy, I replace them with something healthier. For example, I went to culinary school. I fucking love cookies. I also really love brownies. So what if I told you that I was able to lose weight and maintain it, keep it off for the rest of my life, but I eat cookies and brownies every single day? Hard to believe, right? Not really, because they're high in protein, low in sugar, and it curbs my cravings. So this is just one example of hundreds of healthy alternatives that you could make of your favorite sweets or snacks, which will allow you to cheat or to not ruin your diet on your weight loss journey, but conquer that craving. And if you were watching this and that kind of was like, oh my God, that sounds too good to be true, wait for this. I have a free school community full of these literal recipes. I have a video breaking down my favorite recipe of all time, my s'mores protein food, inside the school community with a PDF for the recipe, plus literally hundreds of others. It'll be the second link in the description below. So if this is something that piques your interest, go and check that out after this video is done. Number 3, distract your mind. You see, cravings is just a temporary feeling. I know you feel like it happens all the time, but it happens all the time for a short spurt, and then it just goes away. The longer you resist it, the less you will think about eating the shit. So sometimes distracting yourself from these cravings makes it easier to resist it, thus ultimately eliminating it. All you need to do is keep your mind busy when you feel the urge to have junk food. For example, listen to music, watch a movie, read, or don't, because that's boring. Go hang out with friends, go for a walk, take your dog for a walk, take someone else's dog for a walk, but literally anything to take your mind off. So those are my 3 hacks to avoid cravings so you can consistently stick to your diet and lose weight with ease. Now that your craving problem is fixed, you're welcome. All you need to do is create a plan and stick to it consistently for a period of time. But a lot of people make the mistake of picking up some random plan that they found on the internet, which, let's be real, in 2024, it's probably generated by AI. And these diets never meet your goals or desires or your body's specifications to help with your weight loss goals. That's why no matter how long that you stick with these plans, you never really make any progress. You gain 10, you lose 10. You gain 20, you lose 20. It goes up and down like a roller coaster. Here's the cool part. There is a better way. I am personally giving away 5 free weight loss consultation calls in just the next 4 weeks. This is where you and I will go over your goals and your body's needs to create the perfect custom game plan that you can stick to consistently and lose 10 pounds in the next 30 days with ease without having to sacrifice taste or comfort. Now, if that sounds like something that could get you to your desired weight loss goal faster, then click the first link in the description below to schedule that game plan chat with me, and I will see you there. Oh, you're still here? You're still watching this video? You didn't click off? You didn't book the call with me? What are you doing? Okay, first of all, hi. This is like the Marvel end of the trailer, you know, because most people would have left by now. Do me a solid, like this video, subscribe for more, and comment down below. Comment an emoji, and I will send you a gift.